Oops. Andy Cohen woke up on January 1st, admitting that he was a bit overserved on night, after he blasted Mayor Bill de Blasio on live TV. Sayonara sucker. Andy Cohen did not hold back when he told viewers of CNN's New Year's Eve Live what he thought about former Mayor Bill de Blasio, who was replaced by Mayor Eric Adams after the ball dropped. While hosting the yearly show alongside his close pal, Anderson Cooper, Andy ripped de Blasio a new one, despite the fact that Anderson tried holding him back and begged him not to go on a rant. Do his victory lap dance after 4 years as the crappiest term of the mayor of New York, Andy Cohen yelled into the camera, as Anderson shook his head and repeated "wow" in disbelief. The only thing that Democrats and Republicans can agree on is what a horrible mayor he has been. So, sayonara sucker. Bill de Blasio, who actually served 8 years, not 4, as Andy stated, was also slammed for dancing with First Lady Charlene McRae after the ball dropped in Times Square on January 1, 2021. I just don't need to see that at the beginning of 2021. Do something with this city. Honestly, get it together, Andy said, before ending his rant by adding that he'd be back to Bravo in 20 minutes. Related gallery. New Year's Eve celebrated around the world 2022, photos. Bill de Blasio ended his second term as mayor amid a spike in crime and a 10-year high in murders across the 5 boroughs. And his approval rating was as low as 25% in September, according to one poll. After Andy's rant went viral on social media, following the broadcast of his Nye special with Anderson Cooper, the host of Watch What Happens Live with Andy Cohen took to Twitter on January 1 to admit that he was probably overserved alcohol during the special. Oops.